me. Hang on, I'm gonna blow this guy's head off.
Fucking move. Mouse. Fucking up.
Is that door open?
Yes.
It's Cade. Hang on.
Fucking castle is a faggot sitting directly to the left. Tiny crack in the door.
Oh. Hey, Cade's coming over to you.
He came around the corner, boys.
Dude, I've shot 2 bullets this game. 3 bullets! I'm clipping this after.
Well, it won't let me type anymore either.
Where is he?
Oh, there it goes.
Someone watch this cam for me.
Watch him. He's on ping. On 1 ping.
I know, he's in fear for his life.
Yep. Both of them are on 1 ping.
Cheese! Cheese!
It's only Ash, buddy. Holy shit. Jason, you know.
He got me.